Good afternoon. I'm Caren and I'm the Senior Director of the Gender Group at the World Bank Group. And I'm standing here today with some of the recipients of the Benazir Income Support Program, the BISP, which is one of the most important social protection programs, not only in Pakistan but in South Asia. And I'm standing with some of the women who have benefited from the transfer, who use it for their children's education, who use it to raise family living standards, and I'd like to perhaps ask a few of them to tell their stories. I just heard incredible testimonials, and I have to say I'm more than overwhelmed by the resilience of the women, the ingenuity of the women, the ability of the women to use the money that is in their hands, not just for their families, but it benefits entire communities. So perhaps some of the stories that they will share with you now are some of the stories that I heard earlier today. Thanks.